What's up, creatives? John Wan here, director, photographer, recording artist, and much more. Now, if you've been following the channel for a while, you see that I put together some really dope music videos, but I wanted to give you guys some different kind of content this time. I've been blessed with my own studio location here in Plainfield, New Jersey, and I really like to push to the limits the different scenes that I'm able to create here. I've done everything from an interrogation room to an apartment to a gym. You name it, I've done it or plan to do it somewhere in my treatments. Recently, I connected with a dope group of artists, RCYN from Lakewood, New Jersey, which is about 40 minutes from the studio location here, and I really wanted to maximize the time that we had together, so being prepared allowed us to knock this video out in about 2 hours. Earlier in the week, I ordered some fake ivy off of Amazon and some artificial grass rugs from Home Depot, which complete the jungle vibe that I was going for on this one. I wanted to put these guys in a different space, something out of the norm, and again, use the space in different ways than I have in the past. I went with the GVM LED lights on this and chose to set a blue-green look with a purple back cast, which really set the scene. I also picked up some laser pointers to imitate infrared beams from a sniper, and when matched with the smoke, the look came out even doper than I expected. You can see the line of origin straight through the scene. Aside from the jungle scene, I set the fellas up on the infinity white wall, which really gives a professional look. The videos come out super clean, and you can really tweak that footage to your preference. I got real spacey vibes from this, and I wanted to take the viewers on the same trip with me. So I set the fellas up on the green screen and went over to Motion Array to get me some stock footage. Now, Motion Array is a website that carries stock footage, FX, and stock sounds that you can use on your projects, which is completely royalty free. From their stock footage, I chose a few space vortexes and matched them up with asteroid showers, blended it up, and made a dope, unique look for the video. Overall, I think the video came out fire. I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can check it out. And if you want more tutorials and behind the scenes content like this, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. You can connect with me on Instagram at PlentySkills or connect with my production company at P.A.U Studios LLC and at Usual Politics. Thank you again, guys, for tapping in, and I look forward to hearing from you.
P.A.U Studios shooting everything. Movie status.